Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Hiring Matter. In today's video, we are going to talk about the best practices for Naukri profile. Well, just like the other videos, we have here Sochanya, who is my colleague, and she will describe about the 6 important points that are displayed on the screen. And before that, please do watch this video till the end, and you will learn something which is going to be useful for you in the future. Well, let's start the video.
Well, Saujanya, can you please tell us about the site Naukri.com, or what are the main news of Naukri.com and how an individual can find news of this Naukri.com? So could you please tell us about it?
Yeah, sure, Pooja. Well, Naukri.com is a platform which provides so many opportunities that are related to the job openings. Or this website also provides the information of internships as well. And in case if a person is looking up for a job, then definitely this website will be quite useful for that individual in finding a job, because this website provides a lot of information about the job openings, about the current job openings that are going on. And this website also provides the internships as well. In case if any person do not have any previous experience in any organization, or it might be in any companies, then basing on this website they can apply for the internships as well to gain some experience. And this website will be quite useful for many people who are fetching for the jobs, because this website provides the accurate and detailed information. So this is about the Naukri.com website, Pooja.
Okay, so well, can you please tell our viewers about how to set up an profile on Naukri site?
Yeah, sure. Well, in order to set up a profile in Naukri website, there are a few steps that you need to do. First of all, you need to include some basic information of yours, like your name, location, and your email ID and your phone number. So this is the information that you need to put first in the website. So these are the basic details, and then in case if you have logged in the Naukri website, you can just directly log in and search for the job opportunities. In case if you are new to this website, you can just sign up by adding these basic credentials which I have already said before. So, and again, after filling up the basic information of yours, there are two options that are displayed on the screen. As you can see, in case if you are a student, then you can select this option, like I am a student, have never worked in any organization. And in case if you are an experienced person, and if you have enough of experience before, you can just select this option, like I am working, have worked before. Like examples, working or worked in any company, agency, or it might be in office as well. After filling up the basic information, you need to do this thing by selecting either of the options, like if you are a student or if you are a person who have experience before. So this is the first step of filling up the profile, Pooja.
Okay, well now can you please tell us about how to complete the Naukri.com profile? Like what are the additional information that are required in it?
Yeah, sure. Completing your profile. Well, you just need to do a few things after the completion of adding the basic information. So you just need to, fill up a few options such as projects, as you can see on the screen. Projects in the sense, in case if you have done any projects before, like it might be in your college or it might be in your school. Projects in the sense, it's just like an achievement of you, just need to mention it. And coming to the IT skills in the sense information technology skills. In case if you are expert in any kind of languages such as C, C++, Java, and if you have experience of that particular language for some period of time, you can even mention that in the InDesign option. And if you are expert in any kind of field, such as it might be MS Office or it might be the languages, as I have mentioned before, you need to fill that information in this IT skills. So moving ahead, coming to the education, you need to tell the name of the university from which you are graduated, and then the field of your study and the year of your completion of the study. So in this, as it is shown that he or she has completed her MBA in history from Presidency University in the year 2016, and then he or she has completed her Bachelor of Arts in history from Presidency University in the year 2014, And then West Bengal English, it means that person has completed her secondary education by studying in English medium and graduated in the year 2011. And then West Bengal English, it means that that person has completed her schooling by studying in English medium and the year of graduation of it is 2019. So moving ahead, certifications. Certifications means accomplishments and achievements. So in case if you have won in any competitions which was conducted in your school or when you were studying in college, you can mention in the certifications. Certifications in the sense if you have achieved an award or if you have achieved an certificate or in case if you have published an article and if it have achieved some certification, you can mention in this field. So moving ahead, career profile. So in case if you're quite desirable to get a role in that particular company or organization, you can mention in this. And functional area means the content or journalism. So if you are quite interested to do the work in one particular area, so you can mention this. So in this, that person has mentioned like content or journalism. And then the person is quite desirable to be as a content developer to work in that company. So moving ahead here, there is a career profile again. So the role is the content developer and the functional area is the content or the journalism, which I have already said before. And then the desired job type, it means either you want to work permanently in that company or is it for the temporary period. So it's up to you. And then coming to the desired employment, if you want to work full time or half time, full time in the sense the complete the complete hours in the office or the complete year or basing on that particular period. And then half time means basing on a few days, like doing some shifts here and there, like working 3 days in a week, so like that. And then coming to the preferred shields, it means if you are interested to work at night, like doing night shifts, you can select night shift. In case if you are very interested to do the work at the daytime, so you can select this option. Coming to this preferred work location, in which place do you want to work? It might be any cities like Pune, Mumbai, Chennai or Bangalore. So in this they have mentioned that anywhere in North India, anywhere in South India, anywhere in East India. So this person is quite comfortable to work anywhere. So coming to the other details, the date of birth, you need to mention your date of birth, and then the gender and the category, it's not mentioned. So differently abled, no, differently abled in the sense in case if you are not been able, so you can mention this, like if you are handicapped or like that. And coming to the hometown, it's your hometown, like it is mentioned like Kolkata, where you were born, you can mention that place. And then the area pin code, and then the marital status, it means whether you are married or not, you just need to click like yes or no. So these are the few things that you need to complete in order to fully complete the profile of yours in in Naukri website. So this is about it, Pooja.
Okay, so is it really necessary to upload resume on this Naukri.com?
Yeah, sure. Well, it's very important for the individual to upload the resume, because next on the list is to upload your amazing resume. In case if the recruiter or the manager wants to know more about you, about your accomplishments, about your work experience, or about your internships and about your skills you have. So resume plays an important role in your job application, because it will be quite easy for the managers to know about you. So apart from the filling the information in like by filling the options in the Naukri website, you just need to also upload your resume as well, because it provides all your information to the recruiter, acting as your introduction to the recruiter. And if you are still contemplating whether your resume is good enough to impress recruiters online, then don't worry. Even the Naukri.com also provides the resume services as well, where you will learn how to build up a resume on your own and the information to include in a resume. It also provides these kind of services. And Naukri's resume writing services also provides visual resume writing services. So what else do you need? This website will be quite useful for you even in building up your resume as well. So it's very quite mandatory for you to upload your resume after filling up the details in the Naukri website profile. So it is quite mandatory. Don't forget to upload your resume because it will be quite easy for the recruiters to know about you and to hire you. So this is about it, Pooja, uploading resume and the resume headline.
So, can you please tell our IT skills that we can add it to the now?
Yeah, sure. Coming to the IT skills, it means the skills you have and the information technology skills. So as I have already covered before, in case if you are expert in any languages such as C, C++ or Java, you can mention it. And whether you are a working professional or a fresher, you should fill in your key skills and IT skills as it gives an in-depth idea of your soft and technical skills. And if they are in line with the job role, recruiters can search for and shortlist candidates based on their skills. So in case if you are expert in any kind of skills, it might be soft skills, it might be good content writing skills, or it might be good website development skills, you can mention it in this option. So this is about the key skills and IT skills, Pooja.
Okay, so would you please tell us that what is profile summary?
Profile summary means, adding up a brief information about you, like who you are, and you need to highlight of your career. You need to highlight your education and your professional interest, and like what kind of a career you are looking for. And this is about the profile summary. In this, you just need to add a brief introduction of yours, like from where you are, from which field you are graduated, and what are your interests, and where do you see yourself in, uh, you know after 5 years. So this is the information that you need to mention in the profile summary. It shouldn't be lengthy. It should be only brief in a very short and brief manner. So this is about the profile summary, Pooja.
Okay, well, could you please tell us about something career profile?
Yeah, sure. Career profile means this section allows you to fill up information about your current field, role, or desired job, like basis, like it might be permanent or contractual, and preferred location. So these are the things that you need to fill up. So in this career profile, you need to mention the functional area or the department, and then the role. In case if you are an experienced person or fresher, you need to fill up this option. And desired job type, is it permanent or contractual, and desired employment type, is it full time or part time, and then preferred shifts, is it day or night or flexible. Preferred shifts in this sense, as I have already told you before in the beginning, if you are interested to do work in the daytime, you can select this option, and if you are interested to do at the night time, you can select this option. And flexible means you are both comfortable by doing the work at both times. So this is about the career profile, and there are some options that you need to fill in order to complete your profile in Naukri.com. So this is about it, Pooja.
Okay, so well, is it also necessary to add highlights projects?
Yeah, it is quite necessary to highlight projects because it denotes who you are, about your capabilities, about your achievements. So you just need to highlight projects. It means in case if you have done projects, it might be in the form of internships, or it might be in the form of giving presentations as well. You can just fill up this option because it denotes your capability and potentiality of you working in that company or organization which you have opted for. So this is about the highlight projects, Pooja.
Okay, so would you please tell us about the accomplishment in a Naukri profile?
Well, accomplishments in the sense the achievements of you, and in case if you have achieved anything when you were at school or when you were in college, like you can mention these, such as your work sample. It might be white paper, research publication, or general entry, and then the presentation and the patent and the certification. In case if you have achieved any certifications of your participations before, you can mention this. So this is about the accomplishments. It completely denotes your capability of you, whether you can work in that office or not. So basing on these things, that recruiter will decide upon himself whether to recruit you or not. So this is about the accomplishments, Pooja.
Well, thank you, Soujanya, for answering my questions. I hope you all have learned something that how to upgrade and build up your profile well. So, well, now let us wind up the video. And as we have reached to end, but before that, please subscribe to our channel Hiring Mentor for more videos like this. And please do like and share this video. And please do follow our Facebook page. And you can also join our webinars regarding this topic. Link has been provided you in the description. And also wash your hand and do apply sanitizer. And don't step out of the house for irrelevant reasons. Thank you for watching our video and have a nice day.